How to add a string in a certain position. Is there any function in Python that I can use to insert a value in a certain position of a string? Something like this. 3655879x6, then in position 4 add, to become 3655,879x6.
No. Python strings are immutable. It is, however, possible to create a new string that has the inserted character.
This seems very easy. However, if you like something like a function, do as this. As strings are immutable, another way to do this would be to turn the string into a list, which can then be indexed and modified without any slicing trickery. However, to get the list back to a string, you'd have to use .join using an empty string. I am not sure how this compares as far as performance, but I do feel it's easier on the eyes than the other solutions. Smile. Simple function to accomplish this.
If you want to sell more, press consider subscribing.